Good morning, Huskies. Today we are going to practice our numbers, and we're going to do our number of the week this week is number 10. So we're going to practice learning about the number Mr. 10. So first, we're going to start by getting our counting muscles warmed up. So I want you to look at the board. This is all the books I've read this week. So Huskies, give me a thumbs up if you've read a book this week. That's awesome. I'm so happy to see all the reading that you're doing. So these are all the books I read this week, and I want you to help me count how many books I read this week. So get out your pointing fingers. I want to see everybody's pointing finger. Okay, good, thank you. And help me count, touch and count with me as I count my books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huskies, how many books did I read this week? You're right. I read 10 books. Can everybody show me 10 with their fingers? Good job. 10 is this many. 10 is when we put up all of our fingers. Now we're going to learn 2 ways to write the number 10. The first is by writing the number. So the way you write Mr. 10, Mr. 10 is a very special way of being written. So you write a line down, and then next to it, you draw a circle. Line, circle. That's how we write the 10. The second way is with tallies. So if you remember, tallies are when we draw lines down, and line number 5 is an across line. When you draw tallies, you also do an across line with line number 10, if it's that high. So, if I'm drawing tallies for number 10, how many lines do I draw if I'm making tallies? You're right, I make 10 lines. So let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, count with me, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so Huskies, this is 10 tallies. Notice how I do 4 lines down and then a line across, and then I keep doing that. So this is 10 books I read. This is number Mr. 10, and this is 10 tallies. Okay, Huskies. So I want to tell you a story. I went to the pet store last week, and so I saw a lot of different pets. So before I tell you this story, we need to erase the books and say bye to the books. We're going to read them later. Everybody say bye, books. Okay. So the books are going to go, and we're going to read our story. So I went to the pet store, and when I got into the pet store, I saw this many birds. Can you help me count how many birds I saw? Help me count. Touch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huskies, how many birds did I see when I was at the pet store? You're right, I saw 6 birds. So, who can help me write the number 6? Can everybody get their skywriting fingers out? I want to see you write the number 6. Good job. When you do the number 6, you go circle back, and then it looks like this. That's how you draw the number 6. So I saw 6 birds, and then I saw my favorite animal of all. I saw some puppies. Huskies. There were so many puppies. There were this many puppies. Can you help me count how many puppies I saw? Touch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huskies, how many puppies did I see at the pet store? You're right. I saw 7 puppies. So, can you all get your skywriting fingers out and draw the number 7 for me? Let me see everybody's skywriting fingers. Draw the number 7 in the air. Good. The 7 is a line back and a line down. That is how you draw the number 7. And then, so I bought 6 chicks, 6 birds, and 7 puppies, and I took them into my car. And when I was in the parking lot, I saw this many cars. Can you help me count how many cars I saw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huskies, how many cars did I see in the parking lot? You're right, I saw 8 cars. Now, what I want you to do, everybody get your skywriting fingers out. Can you help me draw the number 8? Who can show me how to draw the number 8 with their fingers? Good. When you draw the number 8, we need a pen. So when you draw the number 8, it looks like there's 2 circles on top of each other. And then, so Huskies, if you remember, I saw 6 birds, then I bought 7 puppies, and I put them in my car, and I saw 8 cars, and then I decided, I want more pets. These were not enough pets for me, so I went back into the pet store, and I bought some fish. And I saw this many fish. Huskies, can you help me count this many fish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fish did I find? You're right, I found 9 fish. So I bought all the fish. Can you show me 9 with your fingers? How many fingers is 9? Good job. This is 9 fingers. And now I need to draw the number 9. Huskies, can you get your pointing fingers out and draw the number 9 for me? Good. I do circle back, line down. That's how we draw the number 9. So, and then the last thing, I saw some rhinos, and I thought it'd be a good idea to buy some rhinos. So, help me count how many rhinos I bought. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many rhinos did I get at the pet store? You're right, I got 10 rhinos. So, Huskies, can you show me 10 with your fingers? Good job. 10 fingers is all your fingers. Now, Huskies, can you draw Mr. 10 in the air? Can you show me how to draw Mr. 10? You're right. 10 is a line down and then a circle. So, when I went to the pet store, I saw 6 birds and 7 puppies. And then I put them in the car where I saw 8 cars in the parking lot. And then I went back into the pet store and bought 9 fish and saw 10 rhinos. But then I decided 10 rhinos was too much, and I let the pet store keep the rhinos. So that was my trip to the pet store. So, Huskies, thank you. I want you to thank all the pets for helping me tell my story. Thank you, pets. Okay, so Huskies, we're gonna practice building towers now. And so we're gonna say bye to the pets. Everybody say bye, pets. So the pets, they're gonna go outside and play. And we are going to practice building towers. So Huskies, I need somebody to tell me, what is the number of the week? Can you all say the number of the week? You're right. The number of the week is 10. Can you show me 10 with your fingers? Good. 10 is this many fingers. And can everybody get your skywriting fingers out and draw the number 10? Good. The number 10 looks like this. So we do a line down and a circle. Now, what I also want to spell the number 10 without letters, because 10 is a word, and letters make words. So let's pause and practice spelling the number 10. And let's tap and sound out the sounds in the letter 10. The first sound that I hear is the t sound. What letter makes the t sound? You're right. It's a T. Can everybody get their skywriting fingers out? I want to see the straightest skywriting fingers. Can you draw the number T for me? You're right. So a T goes a line down and a line across. Now, let's keep sounding it up. T, e, T, e, After the t, I heard an e sound. E, e. What letter makes the sound? Good job. The E. Can everybody say E, egg, eh? Good job. Now, how do we write the letter E? Can everybody get your skywriting fingers out? Write the letter E for me. Good job. The letter E, we do a line and then a circle back. So we have T-E. So that makes the sounds T, E. But that's not the whole word. We want to spell 10. So let's sound out 10. T, E, T, E, The last sound that I hear is the sound. What letter makes the sound? Good. The letter N. So can everyone say N, N, nut, Good job, Huskies. So can you all get your skywriting fingers out and help me write the letter N? Because that's a hard letter sometimes. Everybody, get your straight skywriting fingers out. Write the letter N. Good job. We do a line down and then arc. So 10. This is how you spell the letter 10. So now we're going to build our tower. So I have some magnets over here, and these magnets are super good for building the towers. So we're going to get 10 magnets. Count with me as I grab a magnet and make a tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Huskies, do I have enough magnets? No, I do not have enough magnets. I only have 9. I need 10. So I'm going to grab some more magnets. And I'm going to put another magnet on our tower. Now let's count our tower to see if we have 10 magnets now. Can you touch and count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huskies, do I have enough magnets? You're right, I do. I have 10 magnets. So this is a tower of 10. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a blue line. On this side of the blue line, how many magnets do I have? You're right, I have 10 magnets. On this side of the magnet, how many magnets do I have? I don't have any. That's called 0. If I don't have any, that's called 0. Does anybody remember how to draw the number 0? Can you draw the number 0 with your fingers? Good. The number 0 looks like a circle. So over here, I have 0 magnets. Now, this side did not like having 0 magnets, so it asked the tall tower for some magnets and said, can I please have some magnets? And the tall tower shared. So we're going to put 1 magnet over there, and we're going to erase our numbers, and now we're going to count. I had 10 magnets to start, and now we're going to count my 2 towers. I made 2 towers. Now, Huskies, How many magnets are in my small tower? You're right. There's one magnet. And that is how we write the number 1. So let's count how many magnets are in my tall tower now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? You're right, 9. So I'm going to draw the number 9. Now I have 9 in the tall tower and 1 in the small tower. Because 9 and 1 make 10. Because I have 10 magnets total. And that is not going to change. So, now, what if I took a magnet from the tall tower, and gave it to the small tower again? I still have 10 magnets total. But let's count how many are in my small tower. Huskies, touch and count the small tower. How many are in that tower? You're right. There are 2 magnets in that tower. Can everybody show me 2 with your fingers? Good job. I'm going to draw the number 2. And let's count the tall tower. Touch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many magnets are in the tall tower? You're right. There are 8 magnets in the tall tower. So, let's say, what do you think would happen? How many would this tower of 2 have if I gave it 1 more? If I gave this tower of 2 1 more magnet, can you tell me how many it would have? Let's find out. So now I gave it 1 more. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many does the small tower have? You're right. It has 3. Can you show me 3 with your fingers? Good job. Now, I still have 10 overall. Let's count the big tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you draw 7 with your fingers? Draw 7 in the air with your skywriting fingers. Good. We go line back, line down. That's how we draw the number 7. So 7 and 3 make 10 because we have 10 magnets. So let's do 1 more. If I have 3 magnets and I gave my small tower another magnet, how many magnets would it have? You're right. It would have 4 magnets. So let's count to see if that's right. Let's find out if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you show me 4 with your fingers? Good. 4 with your fingers. The small tower has 4 magnets. Now, let's count how many magnets my big tower has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm good. Can you get your skywriting fingers out? It's very straight. And draw the number 6. Good job, Huskies. I'm going to draw the number 6. So, we have the number 6 and the number 4. 6 and 4, they make 10 because I have 10 magnets total. So, Huskies, that's all we're going to do with our towers. Now I'm going to show you what your activity is. So, we're going to say 5 magnets, and I'm going to show you what your homework is. So, on Seesaw, after this video, I want everyone to go to Seesaw. Where are you going to go after this video? You're right. You're going to go to Seesaw. You're all going to go to Seesaw. So, what you're going to do is you're going to practice with numbers from 0 to 10. Remember, 0 is when you don't have anything. So 0 is the smallest number. So, and then you're going to put those numbers in order. They're going to be jumbled around. They're not going to be in the right order. And you're going to use the drag button to drag the numbers into the right order. I'm going to show you how to do this with numbers 0 to 2. So, okay, so let's let's say that I had 0 apples. And then Miss Honey had 1 apple. And Miss Christina had 2 apples. Who had the smallest number of apples? You're right, me, because I had 0 apples. I had no apples. So I'm going to put 0 all the way over here. Now, Miss Honey had 1 apple. Miss Christina had 2 apples. Who had less apples? You're right, Miss Honey. So, Miss Honey had a smaller number of apples. So I'm going to put 1 here because 1 is smaller than 2. Now, then I'm going to put 2 here because 2 is the biggest number. So I put my numbers in the order from the smallest number to the biggest number. In the order that, and that's the order that we count them. We go 0, 1, 2, 3. So on Seesaw, you're going to see all the numbers from 0 to 10, and I want you to put them in the order that you count them. Okay, Huskies, have a great day. I'll see you next week.